How to view tagged location from other users on Instagram Map. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed into your account. Then tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar to open your inbox. At the top of the inbox screen, you will see a map option. Tap Map to open it. If Instagram asks for location permission, allow it so the map can display nearby tagged posts accurately. Once the map opens, you will see markers representing posts and stories shared by other users who have tagged your location. Move around the map to explore different areas and discover posts from nearby friends or public accounts. You can zoom in and out to focus on specific neighborhoods or broader areas. Tap on any marker to view the post or story in full screen. This allows you to see content shared from specific locations including restaurants, cafes, events, or popular hangout. It's a great way to explore your city, find trending spot, or get inspiration for places to visit. Remember to respect privacy settings and use the feature responsibly. You can control your own location sharing from the map settings if needed. Now you know how to view tagged location from other users on Instagram Map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.